Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a brand new product for a Bambu AMS. It's made by Sunlu. Yes, they're a filament manufacturer, but they have brought out a filament heater to fit on your AMS. The original AMS, not the brand new one that's just been released. So lots of you got the original AMS. Let's turn that into a dryer. So that's what I'm going to talk about today. Okay, just a quick look at the specs. We have a working temperature range of from 35 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, a humidity range of 10% to 90%, and a time setting can set it from 0 to 99 hours. And all the rest is just the same as what you've already got on your AMS. Okay guys, so what we have here is I just got it out of the box. It's a dryer from Sunlu. As you can see, it's like this. It's just a hood. It's got the dryer inside here. Let's pull this crap off here. So this is a prototype. So things may change a little bit once it's released. It's going to be released on the, what is it, the 10th of July during their anniversary sale. So they have a 12-year anniversary sale on at the moment. It just started today and it goes through to nearly the end of the month. And they will be changing things that are on sale as the month goes along, so make sure you check back into the official website. I will have links down below. Okay, so basically what it does, get rid of all that crap, is replace the lid on your AMS. So take this lid off, put this lid on, and it becomes a filament dryer. Okay, so let's have a look at what we got in our little goods package here. Power cable. Has its own power cable. Comes with a hinges and a thing, and a thank you card. That's it. Okay, so I better plug it in. Okay, so first thing I need to do is take this old AMS lid off. So I've got these filament dryers that I printed off, I think it's Thingiverse or one of those ones, printables or something. So they just fit filament balls in them. So worth having it. They sort of help dry the filament as well, but you've got nothing to fan the moisture out. So that's what this guy does, yeah? Okay, so I need to undo a few screws, get my toolbox out. So, okay, so if you turn your AMS upside down, use the nice long Allen key they sent you. Sent you this one, and you just go up. So the screw either side of this little, and this little one, there's one either side of it, so you just got to take both screws out. These are the new hinges, or the new connections there. Now they're going to go on the end of this. Let's get as you can see it. I'll just go on the end here, like so. So they'll just push on, and then the screws are just going to go into these little ends here. Yeah. So that's it. So I just need to get the old one, take the old screws away, because I'm not going to use them, because they give you new screws and new threads and all that sort of stuff. So it's always best to use the new ones they give you. Why don't they give me so many? 2 spares. Give me 2 spare screws. Cool. Put them away. Because if you've seen some of my other videos, you'll know that screws usually end up on the floor. So I can use as many extras as possible. Okay, so let's get this back on. Line up these. And now, as you can see in here, as you can see, there's these little holes here. And that's where these little bits go into from the hinge, these little bits here. Just got to line them up and make sure they're all in place. And it just pushes down, so it should be nice and flat along here. Yeah. And then I've just got to turn it over again and put those screws in. That's going to be interesting. Try not to drop them. So I think if I put this in nicely, yeah, cool. They're going to sit on top of that and I can just feed them in. Voila. How easy was that? And then just put all the four in exactly the same. Put them on first. Carefully lower them down so you don't bump the side. You bump the side, the screws might come off. Not a big hassle, just turn the thing upside down to get them out. That's it. It's all installed now. So what we'll do is we'll plug in the power. That's it. So over here on top, just while we're looking at it, you've got an air vent. So you can shut the air vent off or open the air vent up. It's just a matter of just back and forth here. Just do open and let some air flow out. If you don't want the air flowing out, just seal it up. When the heater's not on and you've just got it sitting there, close it up. When the heater's on, open it up, let the air flow out. That way the heat's and pushing any moisture out of the item. So let's get us back down here. Let's have a look at this display. Okay, so once you're plugged in, there's a little on-off switch at the back that you turn on and off, and then it's all operated from the front here. Okay, let's turn around a bit more. Okay, so here's the power button, and here's the mode button. So you push the mode button, it will plump through different areas on the screen. As you can see now, it's over here at the temperature. Now it's at the time. PLA, temperature, time. Okay, so if I go up to PLA, this is what it recommends time-wise. So it's automatically done it for you. But if I go up to PLA, I can then push the up and down keys to flick through what filament I'm going to be doing. Okay, so when I get there, you can see the temperature now is 24. It's going to go up to 50. The relative humidity is 66% at the moment. And it's going to go for 5 hours. Okay, so if I then change the mode, I can go and make it more time, less time by going the up and down keys. Mode again, I can change it. I don't want PLA, I want, let's see, TPU. And it will automatically adjust things depending on what I've chosen up the top there. PLA is 51, PETG is 50, TPU is 55. So you can see it automatically does the selection for you. You can adjust, as I say, once you get the flashing one, you pick the up and down keys to go to whatever you want to go to. And I can feel the heat already. So how cool is that? Oh yeah, I can feel the heat getting pushed around. It's got fans pushing around too. This is cool, man. It's coming out the back vents there. I can feel it. Oh, it's hot. I feel it coming out. So it's got a fan. It's got a vent to let the moisture out on top. All your controls you want, and you can use your AMS while it's heating and drying your filament. Okay, so there's a 4 filament dryer there for your AMS. How cool is that? A few things I've got to tell you though. Okay, a few things I've got to tell you. Now this frosted front, it won't be frosted when you get the device. It will be clear so you can see your filament inside there. Because this is a prototype, of course, they've made it like this. And someone's obviously bought up the thing, I want to be able to see my filament, so they're going to change that. Inside, all this is clear, and I can actually see the controls and stuff. That'll be frosted, so they will be changing that. What else are they going to do? There might be a few small little changes in the design, but it won't be much. But like I said, this is a prototype, so it's not the finished product. Finished product is, like I said, it's going to be released. When's it going to be released? It's going to be released on the 7th of July, or 10th of July, 7 AM UTC time. Okay, so that'll be part of the anniversary sale, and that's on now. Go to their website, link down below. and they got lots of bargains, especially with filament. Now I use Sunlu filament all the time, and if you've seen any of my creations, they're big. Okay, at the moment I'm doing a big Warhammer one. I'm sort of in the middle of it. It is bigger than me. I thought I measured the torso to my torso, and I built it thinking it was going to be my size, but with all the armour and stuff on it, it gets rather big. So it's going to tower. It's going to be 7 foot or something size. I've done a few little videos. I haven't done videos yet. I've done a few little posts on Facebook and Instagram showing the thing if you want to have a look at it. But I do lots of big sort of droids and stuff like that, and I use Sunlu filament all the time. It's good filament. I found the matte filament to be the best. I like matte the best. Some people like just a normal PLA or PETG, but I find the matte brings out the best texture. I sell a lot of my models unprocessed, so straight out of the printer. It's that good. Okay, so the filament's that good. I don't have to do any post-processing to sell my models. Okay, I can see a tiny little bit of light leakage out of the side of the display here. It's just coming out the side. They said that will be fixed. They have noted that, and that's that. They will not have any light leakage whatsoever coming out of that by the time it's finished. And that's about it, guys. How simple is that? Easy to install. 4 screws you've got to undo. So there's just the 4 screws at the back. Turn upside down. You can leave the middle part in if you want. Put the top on, put the screws back in. So 4 screws. That's all you need to put a dryer on your AMS to make that. How much easy is that? Instead of having a separate dryer to dry your stuff, it's doing it as you're printing. Now you may not think that I'm never going to dry when I'm printing. I'm going to put in dried stuff already, but you might be printing with a dried piece and have 3 other ones that you've just pulled out that you want to put in here and dry them while you're printing out of one. So when it swaps over to the next filament roll, it's dry for you. So you know, I do a lot where I put the same colour in. So I have 4 of the same colour. So when one, especially when I'm doing big stuff, so when one runs out, it just goes on to the next. So you could have 1 dry filament and put in 3 other ones that haven't been dried yet, and they're drying while this one's running out. By the time that runs out, you're ready to go on the next one that's dry. Away you go. Cool. I like it. I think it's going to be a great improvement to the AMS. I'm hoping they bring out ones for the Anycubic one that's been released and the Creality one that's been released. I've got a lot of Creality ones. They'd be great to have a dryer sitting on top of them. So Sunlu, that'd be a good improvement, man. Anyway, if you like my video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Lots of you watch and don't subscribe. It does help the channel out lots when you subscribe, because I get a little bit of commission and stuff from YouTube when you watch my videos. And that helps me buy filament and stuff. I pour all the money back into the company, trying to make it go. If you haven't already had a look down below in the description, I do have affiliate links to Sunlu and Creality down there. So anything you buy from there, I do get a little bit of commission from it. And it's not much, but every cent helps. So every time you buy something, it basically takes you to the website, and you buy like normally off the website, but because I pointed you to the website, I get a little bit of a kickback. Okay, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks very much. Bye. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate the support. You might like one of these or one of these videos that I've made in the past, so feel free. Okay, thanks, guys. Bye.